guys, this is Twinkle Bamra from Teamless YouTube channel. Today I'm going to provide you some phone interview tips so that you can easily crack your telephonic round in one go. While you are actively searching for a job, you never know when a recruiter calls and asks you if you have a few minutes to talk. So always answer the phone professionally, especially if the number is unfamiliar. Try to install Truecaller app which always helps in these situations. Today I am going to tell you how you can ace the telephonic interview to make it to the next round or even get a job offer. Tip number 1. Prepare in advance. Remember one thing, this round is to filter you through your communication skill and also will be very common during this pandemic. Have a list of answers ready for all the general interview questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses. Make sure that you understand the job description well and also do a bit of research on the company as suddenly they may ask you some questions like what do you know about our organization. It proves to be beneficial and also shows the employer that you are really interested for this job. So for all these tasks, preparation is a must. And I will keep some related videos in this description to help you out. Tip number 2, be a good listener. During telephonic interview, you must keep in mind that you must be a good listener. Listen carefully to the interviewer and don't start speaking until the interviewer finishes the question. If you have something you want to say, then just mention it when it's your turn to talk. Don't worry too much. Don't worry if you need a few seconds to think of a response. But don't leave too much dead air. If you want your interviewer to ask a question, to repeat that question, just ask. Tip number 3, have your job materials nearby. You have a major advantage in a telephonic interview, which does not exist in a face-to-face interview. You cannot be seen. Use this to your advantage. You should feel comfortable and should be ready to discuss about your background and skills confidently in a phone conversation. Have a copy of your resume nearby so that you can refer to it during the interview. But remember one thing, when you are referring to such documents, the recruiters can easily find out that you are watching and sharing those details. So make sure that the sheet you carry should be only used as a reference. Tip number 4, practice interviewing. Talking on the phone isn't as easy as it seems. For practice, have a friend or family member conduct a mock interview and record it so you can see how you sound over the phone. Once you have a recording, you will be able to hear your and okays. So you can practice reducing them in your conversational speech. It will also help you spot if you have a bad habit of interrupting or rambling. Additionally, listening to the recording will help you pinpoint answers that you can improve. Tip number 5, get ready for the call. There may be the cases in which you may get a scheduled timing, date of the interview and even the name of the interviewer. And sometimes there may be the cases in which you don't get any timing of the interview. So in such cases, you need to be very attentive in attending the calls on the date of the interview so that you don't miss your turn. However, if something goes wrong or you miss the call or the interviewer doesn't call you on time, take a deep breath and try to stay calm. You should be able to get the call back on track or reschedule if need to be. Use a quiet, comfortable and private space with no distractions so you can focus on the interview. Don't get interrupted. Turn off your call waiting so your call isn't interrupted. Put your cell phone on do not disturb mode so you won't hear any beeps or buzzes from apps, text messages and so on. Reschedule if you have to. If the call wasn't scheduled and isn't at a convenient time, ask if you could talk at another time and suggest some alternatives. Do keep a glass of water handy, though there's nothing worse than having a tickle in your throat or cough starting when you need to talk on the phone. So always keep a glass of water ready so you can have a quick sip if your mouth gets dry. Smiling will project a positive image to the listener and will change the tone of your voice. It will also be helpful to stand during the interview since this typically gives your voice more energy and enthusiasm. Do take your time. It's perfectly acceptable to take a moment or two to collect your thoughts. As the interview winds down, make sure to say thank you to the interviewer. When the interview is over, review any notes that you were able to make during the conversation. Jot down what type of questions you were asked and how you responded, and any follow-up questions you may have if you have an opportunity to go for an in-person interview or a second round, telephonic interview, or even a job offer. Good luck. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get in touch with our more upcoming videos on more topics. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy.